Hi guys, Lindsay here. We are doing a collaboration with Ashley over at O Crow Gal, and we are going to be cooking some dirty cauliflower rice. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is show you guys what I... Chris is in the room. You can see his phone right there. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I had to buy and then show you guys what I already had in my pantry, and then I am going to cut everything off camera so that this video isn't stupid long. And then we're going to cook. So Chris is going to help me cook, but in a little bit. So anyways, first thing is first, I'm going to go through what all I bought, and I have a little sheet which I will put here that shows you what I paid for everything. So I got the Green Giant cauliflower riced veggies, just the plain, because this has other veggies in it. I also picked up some Dandy celery sticks. Now I just did a cost for just the 3 or 4 that I need, so that is on that list. And then a green bell pepper, an onion, just a small one. It was really super small, and that's all we really need because I think we only need, yeah, like a half a cup, so that's okay. And then I bought some green onions or scallions or whatever you want to call them, and some Italian parsley, fresh parsley for on top. And then I also picked up this family size of ground beef, and this ground beef I will cut in half and only use half the recipe. So it was $13.72, but because I'm cutting it in half, it only works out to 6 something. So that is what I had to buy for this recipe. So not very much at all. You can, because this serves 4 people, if there's only 2 of you or even 1 of you, oh, my hair looks really weird. This meal will last you more than 1 meal. So I've also picked up this, or not picked up, I'm using up a little bit of this bone broth that I had for the broth that we need. We also need garlic powder, cayenne pepper, some thyme, some oregano, paprika, and salt and pepper. So I usually use pink salt, and then I make my own pepper blend. If you've never seen it, I use red pepper or pink peppercorns and black peppercorns in there. So anyways, so that is all we need for this recipe. It's looks super simple, it looks easy to do, and it looks like we'll be able to cook it in no time flat. So I'm gonna stop the video here, and I will see you when we're ready to cook. Alright guys, so here it is all cut up. We've got the ground beef ready to go. We've got the onions, celery, and peppers. We've got first set of spices to put in with the meat. Then this is the garlic and the second set of spices. And then this is the finishing spices, the stock, and then the toppings for afterwards, and of course the cauliflower rice. So we're gonna get started here. So the first thing we want to do is add some bacon grease. I'm gonna film Chris while he's cooking. So he's adding the 3 tablespoons of the bacon grease. It's probably because I used the oven earlier, and so it liquefied the bacon grease.
Oh, possibly.
Normally it would be full, or solid, I mean. So we've kind of preheated the stove a little bit. And then...
Beef?
Yeah, the beef, add the beef, and the first set of spices.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay. know meat that caramelizes.
I don't know either, but that's what she put. So this recipe is from joyfilled-eats.com. I will put that in the description below as well. She's patiently waiting.
For us to hopefully drop something.
Yeah. Sophie's not allowed in the kitchen when we cook, so she's sitting on the carpet just outside the kitchen.
Go.
I think a couple more minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the camera around, and here it is. Oh really? I smell it like crazy. The parsley is really strong. Chris says he doesn't smell it. I say I can really smell it. So that is the dirty cauliflower rice. It looks super good. I think the only thing that I would change next time is maybe do half a green pepper and half a red pepper. I think that would give it just a little bit more color. But other than that, it looks super good. And I tried a tiny little bit of it while it was still in the frying pan, and it was tasty, tasty, tasty. Hi guys, so that recipe was really very simple to make, and it was very quick as well, and very cheap, so that's a win-win-win in my books. So head on over to Ashley's channel at Oh Crow Gal, and she is also cooking this, and then her family will give you a thumbs up or whatever, but this is super delicious. So Chris is laughing at me because I'm being cheesy. So anyways, if you're looking for a quick meal that is super tasty, and I think even your kids would love it, and you would get some veggies in them as well, this is a really super good video, or super good recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. And thanks so much to Ashley at Oh Crow Gal for doing this collab with me, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.